Welcome back to the Happy Way Kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a sweet and creamy vegan strawberries and cream smoothie. So the ingredients we're going to be using today is, I've got plant-based milk here. I'm using soy milk, however you could use any alternative, coconut, almond, cashew milk, whichever you prefer. I've got some coconut yogurt. You can use any other plant-based yogurt if you like. Frozen strawberries, vanilla extract, and I'm going to be using the Happy Way maca powder. You can also add some vanilla protein powder in there too if you like. So what I'm going to do is simply add all the ingredients into my blender, blend until smooth, pour into a glass and serve. I hope you enjoy.